YouTube, what's going on, y'all? Hey, I'm back here again. I'm actually driving in traffic right now, but I took today off to get some paperwork and stuff like that together, do a little office work, looking for a new contract, and just decided to come out and do a little Doordash with y'all today. So, hold on, let me get the camera right. Yeah, so doing a little Doordash, finna run it up a little bit, you know. That's one thing with the cargo van business. It's not just one sector that you could, you know, go down. For instance, you could do gig apps. I do gig apps, you know, from Go Share, Delivered, even Doordash, shoot, you know, freight, dispatch, the list goes on and on. But, you know, it's easy by any means necessary, though. As long as you out making money, utilizing your time wisely, of course, you know, it's all fair game. So yeah, you guys stick tight. I'm getting ready to drop off this order, and then pick you guys back up.
Music vibe. Music vibe.
All right, guys, I'm back. I need to get me a tripod, but those 2 deliveries that I had earlier, they went a success. Funny thing, I was dropping off to a high school, and the girl was talking about, look for the person with pink slippers on, with sparkles on them. Hey, that was funny. But yeah, so now I'm headed to downtown right now, and we're gonna run it up. Hopefully I could get some good orders, man. They gonna come in, y'all. So taking the day off, but still getting to it. Hey, you wanna buy back your freedom? You gotta get out here, you gotta grind, you gotta get to it. You know what I'm saying? No excuses. Hey, straight getting to it, y'all. It's the discipline is what's key. All right, lock in. All right, y'all. I done wrap that up. Man, I'm gonna show you guys here later. Man, this weather is crazy. It's literally like 50 degrees. For the past few days, it's like been 30 degrees, 20 degrees. I think the lowest it got, is about, I think the lowest has got like 25 degrees. This weather crazy, y'all. Hey, man. But yeah, I'm wrapping things up. I just wanted to show y'all how it looked. But really, I think I've made about 50 bucks in the matter of
Take the
2
exit
hours.
towards South Freeway.
It's not bad at all, guys. I'm taking the right exit. But yeah, given the weather,
Continue
y'all,
on South Freeway for 1 mile.
I kind of prepared for the worst. But got out here, got it done. So y'all write down in the description on more content that you guys would like to see. But yeah, I thank you guys for tuning in. Buy your freedom back down below in the description. You guys check that out. I'll show you guys how to get to it for real. But other than that, I got a lot of bangers coming you guys' way. Thank you all, and tune in for the next video.